Hey there, tech enthusiasts and MacBook owners. Today, I'm super excited to introduce you to the XJS LCD screen replacement for MacBook Pro Air/Pro 13, A2337, A2338, A1706, A1708, A1932, A2179, A1989, A2251, A2159, A2289, 2016-2021 year. If you're tired of dealing with a cracked or dysfunctional screen on your beloved MacBook, then this is the solution you've been waiting for. This LCD screen replacement is not only compatible with multiple MacBook models, but it also boasts high-quality materials and precise engineering to ensure a seamless fit and top-notch performance. Say goodbye to those annoying cracks, dead pixels, or display issues, and hello to a crystal-clear, vibrant display that will revitalize your MacBook and enhance your user experience. Installing this LCD screen replacement is a breeze, thanks to the included tools and step-by-step instructions. You don't need to be a tech genius to give your MacBook a new lease of life. Plus, with its durable construction, you can count on this replacement screen to go the distance and keep up with your busy lifestyle. So, why hesitate any longer? Don't let a damaged screen hold you back from enjoying your MacBook to the fullest. Click the link in the description below to get your hands on the XJS LCD screen replacement for MacBook Pro Air/Pro 13 and give your MacBook the upgrade it deserves. Trust me, you won't regret it. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up for more awesome tech reviews and recommendations. Let's level up our tech game together.